our Goan sausages. It's unbelievable. Everyone wants the hot sausages and they don't want the mild. And I was shocked to know because I thought they would like the mild sausages, but they just love the hot Goan sausages.
Goan delicacy is accepted by the Australians very well. They love it as long as it's not spicy, and they enjoy every bit of it today.
It's the community that makes a festival, and I think the Goan community here in Melbourne is committed to keeping the memories of Goa that they hold dear to them.
आयज एकदम खुशाल बोलीत आमी मेलबर्नच्या शारांत आमचे गोवन फूड फेस्टिवल 5 वर्सां जालीं आमी कोत्ता आनी आयज हांगासर 9 स्टॉलां हाडलीं आमच्या मेनूचेर आमच्या मेनूचेर हाडले गोंयचे शीतकोडी सोराक बाजुल्लें नुस्तें मागीर शाकुती मशरूम शाकुती चिकन शाकुती आनी त्या भायर लोकांनी दोस केल्ली कलकल केल्ले बिबींक केल्लें